wrapped up our second game of the day. West Orange, 8th grade girls against East Orange, 8th grade girls. West Orange taking the win, and we had our flavor unit player of the game, aka Savage Strong. That's what we call him, from West Orange. All right, so we just getting started. Shout out to our sponsor, Flavor Unit. We here, y'all.
Hey, we're standing here with Coach Denise Williams from West Orange, man. She's been doing an excellent job over at the high school. What does the future look like for you guys?
Our future is very bright. We have a lot of 5, 6, 7, 8 girls. We have 2 teams in each division, so the difference is there. We're just building from the ground up, and it's really happening.
Now, you got my former teammate, you got his daughter on the team, Madison Curry, right? And then you also have another girl that's one foot behind, Ryan. Tell us about
Ryan.
Tell us about Ryan.
So she's going into her senior year. She's looking to break records at the high school. She's in Ohio this weekend, so hopefully she'll gain some more interest. But she was at least 4 last year. She's going to come back and do a lot more.
Hey, so we should be looking out for West Orange to be competitive again, make a run at that county again.
For sure. We have our junior class coming up. We have Horizon, who's going to be in the Sparkins League. We have Kennedy, our other senior, a great leader on our team. So we're definitely going to stay in the mix.
Be on the lookout for them Lady Mounties over at West Orange.
Thank you very much.
I'm Tony L. That's Denise Williams. This is the Naughty League. Cheers.